Welcome. I think the best advice that I would give someone starting out in my field of law, or just the law in general, is the thing about the legal profession as a new lawyer is that it can be so scary and it can really invoke feelings of imposter syndrome. But all you need to remember is that your clients are coming to you for your knowledge and for your expertise and for your help. And if you just remember that and use that to harness your confidence going into client meetings or meetings with opposing lawyers, it'll really help you succeed. So when people think about the law, they don't necessarily think of it as a client-centered business. But when I find that clients come into my office, they often feel nervous, they feel scared, and they feel intimidated to discuss their legal issues. My goal when I speak with my clients is that they trust me, that they feel heard, and that not only do I understand them and their goals, but that they understand me and the ways that I'm going to be able to help them achieve their goals moving forward. For me, in the past few years, I've really narrowed my practice to employment law, municipal prosecutions, and civil sexual assaults and assaults. And I know that seems super random, as those three practice areas don't seem like they're related at all. But I think what's important to know about me is that before I came into private practice, I had a background as a criminal prosecutor. And so I really wanted to make sure that I tied in my skills from my background prior to civil litigation, but that I also stayed true to myself and stuck with practice areas where I could really help people and make a difference. And I find that these three practice areas really allowed me to do that. Working in practice areas that involve people and feelings and emotions can really bring out a lot of feelings in you as the lawyer. And I know that when people think of lawyers, they think of people who are detached from their cases and, don't necessarily want to attach themselves emotionally to their clients or the work that they're doing. But in my opinion, it's really hard to do that. As a lawyer, there's no better feeling than winning a case or getting a really great settlement and having your client just be so ecstatic and so happy and so grateful. For me, that's a job well done.